This is VBS News, Biafra Broadcasting Service, mouthpiece of the Biafran people. Atemobio!
Yeah!
Atemobio!
Yeah!
Igbo Queen!
Yeah!
Igbo Queen!
Yeah!
Igbo Queen Zone!
Yeah!
Efik me como!
Yeah! Emiedi!
Eyes on!
Yeah!
Eyes on!
Yeah!
Is okay, Nemia?
Nsibidi, also known as Nsibidi or Nsibidi, is a symbol indigenous to inhabitants of the Biafra. The tribes who use Nsibidi are the Efik, the Ijaw, the Woki, Yako, the Igbo people, and the Ejagham people. Nsibidi was transported to countries like Cuba and Haiti via Atlantic slave, where it developed into an Afro runner. The origin of the word Nsibidi is not known. One theory traces the word to the Echoid Bantu languages, where it means cruel letters, reflecting the harsh laws of the secret societies such as Ekbe. Nsibidi spread throughout the region over time and mixed with other cultures and art forms such as the Igbo calligraphic design. 1909, J.K. McGregor, who collected Nsibidi symbols, claimed that Nsibidi was traditionally said to have come from Wagona, Ebe tribes of the Igbo people, which legend says were thought discreet by baboons. Ekoi people, also known as Ejagham, are an ethnic group in the extreme southeastern part of Nigeria, in the Bight of Biafra and extending eastwards into southern Cameroon. Ekoi Bantu languages are spoken by many groups including the Atam, Boki, Mbembe, Ufia, and Yako. The Ejagham are related to the Efik, Anang, Ijaw, and Igbo people of the old eastern region.
This video segment introduces two of the main features of Ejagham culture. The first are secret societies which once controlled trade in the region. The second is an ancient and indigenous graphic writing system called Nsibidi that appears on a variety of objects both to convey meaning and simply to decorate and beautify.
Ejagham people live in the region surrounding the Cross River in southeastern Nigeria and southwestern Cameroon in West Africa. In the past, the Cross River was an important means of transportation, allowing people to share cultural traditions such as masks and masquerades. Today, modern highways make movement even easier. Two of the main characteristics of Ejagham culture are ritual associations and a graphic writing system. In the past, the ritual associations enforced the law and were influential in controlling trade along the Cross River. Many of these associations were sold to neighboring peoples. People would pay for the rights to perform the masquerades and related songs and dances. Like ritual associations, the graphic writing system called Nsibidi has spread to neighboring peoples in Africa and to their descendants in Cuba and the U.S. Nsibidi is an indigenous African form of writing that may be more than 1,000 years old. It is used to record information, conceal knowledge, describe philosophy, and signify one's identity or status, and it also serves as decoration. Nsibidi signs are presented in a variety of ways. Contemporary artists have even appropriated them into modern artworks displayed throughout the world. This skin-covered cap mask depicts a young woman, and while there are no such signs on the face of the headdress, the shape of the hairstyle may be interpreted as Nsibidi. At important ritual occasions, young women are also decorated with Nsibidi signs.
By the human condition. The style is inspired by writing systems in Africa. I see memory as an ephemeral condition that continues to change. Having this huge space where I use, my body and my energy with the intention that at the end of the day, somebody's gonna go there and clean it up. To me, that exemplifies life itself. One day, in spite of all the things that we've done, we're all gonna expire, but something else is gonna occupy that space.
This is VBS News, Biafra Broadcasting Service, mouthpiece of the Biafra people. Atemobio.
Yeah.
Atemobio.
Yeah.
Igbo Queen.
Yeah.
Igbo Queen.
Yeah.
Igbo Queen Zone.
Yeah.
Efik me como.
Yeah. Emiedi.
Eyes on.
Yeah.
Eyes on.
Yeah.
Is okay, Nemia.
Yeah.